I am Tanya Singh. I come from Varanasi and partially Delhi as well. So I have an educational background of BTech in biotechnology and an MTech in biotechnology too. I have an experience of 4.5 years into the market research healthcare industry in the healthcare domain particularly. I have worked in the 3 companies till now and recently resigned from there to go to the US to complete my US dream. Okay, so I will start from the top. So I was in contact with Futurance last year around September, October, and then I actually dropped my plan to know going to US for studies is something big and I should not be doing at the age of 28. But eventually, Futurance people, they were in constant touch with me and they were pushing me really hard that you should do this. This is a big step for your career. Like, it is hard for me to believe till today that I got my acceptance letter from the US universities within 2 days from one university and 8 days from the other one. Like, all this Futurance guys, like, trust me when I say this, these are amazing people out there, starting from their finance team, starting from their counselors team. I had Rishabh as my counselor, then Swapnil as my counselor as well. Then like, they actually guided me like which course should I take. I was confused between MBA and MS, whether should I go for an MBA because I was already in MTech. So should I go for that or should I go for an MBA and complete my like sort of portfolio which we have in our minds that okay, BTech ho gayi, like we have done BTech, MTech is done, so I should go for an MBA. Yeah, the process and everything with Futurance was very smooth. I don't remember a single roadblock or a single moment where I was stressing about something. It was really happy day for me where I got like acceptance from both the universities, and then the struggle started, like which university to go, like what is the pros and cons from this university and from that university. But apart from that, everything was like, it was just like, oh, this happened, this was so quick for me to happen. So I was asked, like initially I was like a general questions, pass me your I-20 and then like why do you want to go to this university. These was a general question in first 30 seconds. The last 30 seconds he just told me, like I just told him like I will come back to India. Like that is how you have to show your ties to your home country. Whatever university you choose, you get to study in the IITs and IIMs in India as well. So you should leverage pathway programs. You need to believe in yourself. The first step to take this journey ahead is to believe in yourself that you are going to do this. Are these people scamming? Are these people true, or are they taking any hidden charges? The first thing you need to do is communicate. You need to talk to all the team members, and you yourself will be, like, I need not say this again and again, but you will yourself very confident about choosing this. And by the end of this, I am sitting here, I can tell you I am very happy to choose Futurance. Anybody, like I have already inspired a lot of juniors in my circle. They will be reaching out to Futurance soon. So they have something for everyone, and definitely try it yourself, and you'll understand like why I'm so happy and elated to share this news with everyone.